So, team, today I will explain to you because in Spanish we have a lot of things. Okay, in Spanish we have formats, you know. So today in Spanish I will explain to you what a difference between tener and haber verb. Is it clear to you? Yes. Obviously, because in Spanish we have two type of verbs. You have to understand about this. In Spanish, team, we have two type of verbs of has have. Like for example, in English we have one has have, but in Spanish we have two type of has have verb. Is it clear to you? One is tener. I will write it down for you. One is tener and one is haber. It is very important to understand, my team, where we will apply tener verb and where we will apply haber verb. Is it clear to you? It is very important to understand. Clear? So first, we'll do the conjugation of tener and haber verb, which is very important. Okay, so I will do yo tengo. मैं सबको repeat कर repetir por favor. Yo tengo is to I have. Yeah, this is a conjugation because in Spanish we have a conjugation, my team. One thing you have to understand in Spanish today, difference between haber and tener. I will explain to you where we can apply tener verb if you have a has a format, for example. Okay, so I will explain to you where we have to apply tener verb and where we have to apply haber verb. Now, in order to understand haber and tener verb, we have to understand first conjugation. So obviously, because in Spanish we have a conjugation, yo is to I. So yo tengo is to I have. Clear? Tú is to you. Tú tienes is to you have. Is it clear to you? Clear, my team? So repeat after me. Yo tengo is to I have. Repeat after me. Yo tengo is to I have. Tú tienes. Tú tienes is to you have. Is it clear to you, my team? So, team, it is very important to understand all these things because in Spanish we have basically the verb conjugation. Is it clear to you? So, yo tengo is to I have. Clear? Tú tienes is to you have. Then we have él, ella tiene. Él, ella tiene is to he, she has. One thing you don't, yo tengo is to I have. Tú tienes is to you have. Él, ella tiene is to he, she has. Nosotros tenemos. Nosotros is what? Nosotros is we. So over here we have nosotros tenemos. Is it clear to you? Vosotros tenéis. So team, you have to understand the format. Vosotros tenéis. Is it clear to you? And ellos, ellas tienen. Ellos, ellas tienen. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Yo tengo is to I have. Clear? Tú tienes is to you have. Él, ella tiene is to he, she has. Nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, and ellos, ellas tienen. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? So इसको बोलो आप प्लीज, I'm just coming. इसको बोलो आप. Yo tengo, yo tengo, tú tienes. इसको repeat करो प्लीज आप. Yo tengo is to I have. Tú tienes. So repeat after me. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, and ellos, ellas tienen. देखो ये मेरी verbs conjugation है. Yo is to I. Is it clear to you? Clear? So yo tengo is to I have. Tú tienes. you have. Él, ella tiene is to he, she has. Nosotros tenemos. Is it clear to you? Vosotros tenéis and ellos, ellas tienen. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? So now, for example, we have a haber. Haber is again my verb to has have. Is it clear to you? Haber. So how we can conjugate haber verb? Because we have a conjugation. So yo a is to yes, but yo a is to I. देखो tener is yo tengo, but over here haber is yo a is to I have. To us is to you have. El, ella, a, और इधर वी कैन से आई. ये यूज करना है आपको. आबेर वर्ब, what is my आबेर verb? Yo a is to I have. To us is to you have. El, ella, a, either I is to he, she has. Nosotros hemos, टीम इसको यूज करो. Nosotros hemos is to we have. Vosotros habéis. Vosotros habéis is to you have, and ellos, ellas, and is to they have. So repeat after me. Yo, tú, has, él, ella, I, nosotros, hemos, vosotros habéis, and ellos, ellas, han. So team, we have two type of has a verb in Spanish, but obviously we have a different sense. And today I will explain to you where we will apply tener verb and where we will apply haber verb. Clear? So repeat after me. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, and ellos, ellas tienen. Haber. Yo, tú, has, él, ella, a. Either you can say I also. Nosotros hemos, vosotros habéis, and ellos, ellas han. Team, is it clear to you? Now, team, it is very important to understand what is the difference between Aber and Tenevo. Is it clear to you? And I will write it down for you. Basically, Aber verb we use for auxiliary verb. Aber verb in Spanish, write down please. In Spanish, Aber is used as an auxiliary verb. It is used to form in compound sentences, but on the other hand, tener is used as a main. Tener is my main verb. If I say I have a dog, I have blah, I have blah, I have to use my own possession. It is coming under my own possession. I have to use tener verb. I will explain to you. Clear? So abe. Now basically the question arises: what is the existence of abe verb, and what is the existence of tener verb? Is it clear to you? So team, try to understand what is the usage, the use of abe to express existence. For example, for example, when abe is used to express existence, it means there are. Whenever I'm saying there is, there are, we, it means we have to use this my a. I हमारा क्या होता है? There is and there are. I we have done elia a, elia a. Is it clear to you? देखो, let me explain to you. We have la, yo a to us, elia a I, elia I we use for there is and there are. I, be careful with this verb. You can only use in the singular form when used to express existence. Now I will explain to you how. I will explain to you. Now, what is the format of this? Is it clear to you? देखो, aber verb. Now, for example, por ejemplo. Now, for example, I will explain to you what is that basically. पहले आपको ये चीज समझनी पड़ेगी. I will explain to you what is there are, because जब आपका ये format आता है ना team, understand, whenever you have format of there is, there are, there was, there were, there will be, there would be, over here you have to use are verb. Team, use करो. Aber is very important whenever auxiliary verb है ये आपके, this is my auxiliary verb. Whenever you have there is, there are, there will be, there would be, there were, over here I, there is and there are. Me se repetir por favor, repetir por favor, repeat por favor is please, repetir, repeat please. I, there is and there are. Abia, there was, there were. Past में abia. Team, you have to practice for this. I, there is, there are. Abia, there was, there were. Ubo, again, there was, there were. Abra, abra, ra, future, future. There was, there were. Abria, there would be. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. I, there is, there are. Abia, there was, there were. Ubo, there was, there were. Abra, there will be. Future. Abria, there would be. Abido, there has been, has been. A, aber verb. Abido. टीम एक चीज ध्यान रखना, वन थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड, जो हमारा पास्ट का जो एंडिंग होता है दैट इज एंडिंग विद ईदो एंड आदो. जो पास्ट हमारा होता है स्पेनिश में दैट इज ईदो एंड आदो. एंडिंग ऑफ ईदो, लिसन टू मी, द वर्ब इज एंडिंग फ्रॉम ईदो एंड आदो, दैट इज योर पास्ट. So I, there is, there are. Abia, there was, there were. Ubo, there was, there were. Abra, there will be. Abria, there would be. Abido, there has been. Been. Now repeat after me. इसको बोलना है because यही तो आपका मेन चीज है. आपका जो स्पेनिश है टीम, based upon these verbs. If nobody is there, is there is, there are. I, clear. There was, there were. Abia, abia. Ubo, there was, there were. Abra, there will be. Abria, there would be. Abido, there has been. Now repeat, repeat por favor. I, bolo, I, abia, ubo, abra, abria, abido. Repetir por favor. I, abia, ubo, abra, abria, abido. Repeat like this. I, abia, ubo, abra, abria, abido. Team, ये एक सेंस में लैंग्वेज का, देयर हैज बीन, देयर वाज, देयर विल बी. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश एंड यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ देयर विल बी, देयर वाज, देयर वर, देयर इज, यू वांट टू स्पीक लैंग्वेज. सो abe verb is there is, there are. I, abia, there was, there were. Ubo, abra, there will be. Abria, would. And abido, there has been. Is it clear to you? Clear? अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं कुछ सेंटेंसेस आपको करवाता हूँ कि आप बोल रहे हो कि देयर इज बुक ऑन द टेबल, देयर आर नो बुक ऑन द टेबल, देयर वाज, देयर वर. हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई विद दिस? इज इट क्लियर टू यू? देखो, लेट मी रब दिस. ये नोट डाउन कर लिया आपने? सी, सी, क्लारो. अब देखो आप, आई एम सेइंग देयर इज अ बुक ऑन द टेबल. देयर इज, आई, हमने भी किया ना, आई उन libro, un is my un libro en la mesa, on the table. Mesa we call as table. So I un libro, book, en la mesa, in the table. So there is book on the table. I un libro, there is a book. I un libro en la mesa, on the table. There are no book on the table. Ningun. Ningun is basically your, negation. No hay ningún libro en la mesa. No, there is no. No hay ningún. No hay ningún libro en la mesa. There are leaves on the ground. Hay hojas. Now J sound is kh. Hay hojas en el suelo. Hay hojas. There are leaves, hojas. In the ground, suelo. So repetir por favor. Hay hojas en el suelo. There are leaves on the ground. Hay hojas en el suelo. There are no leaves on the table. No hay hojas. No hay hojas en el suelo. I mean, hay hojas en el suelo. No hay hojas en el suelo. Is it no hay? There are no hay hojas en el suelo. There was an Ubo. There was Ubo Abia. There was an accident on the road. Carretera. Carretera. We call it road. Carretera. Team, use the language, please. Hubo un accidente en la carretera. Is it clear to you? There are no there were Hubo. There were there were no leaves on the ground. Sorry, there was an accident on the road. So I will say Hubo. There was. Hubo un accidente en la carretera. Carretera. What is that? SOS road. SOS road. Carretera. There was no accidents on the no hubo ningún accidente en la carretera. No hubo. There were. I'm trying to explain to you. There isn't there. There was. There is. I hubo había. I there is. Is it clear to you? Hubo there was. Había there was. There were many people at the party. Many people. There is, but over here we have there was. So I can say hubo muchas personas. Much means a Bodo language go. Hubo muchas personas. Muchas is like a lot of person in la fiesta in the party. So hay muchas fiesta in la fiesta. There were not many people in the party. No hubo muchas personas en la fiesta. Hay muchas personas en la fiesta. No hubo muchas personas en la fiesta. Team, देखो यहाँ भी, see, it is very important to understand. For example, por ejemplo, if you have the format of there is, there was an accident on the road. There was hubo un accidente en la carretera. Is it clear to you? There were many people in the party. Hay muchas, lot of, muchas. Eso es muchas, lot of personas, person in the party. So team, this is your aber conjugation जहाँ पे आप aber लगाओगे because aber is my auxiliary verb. Is it clear to you? One thing you have to understand, my team, aber को हम और कहाँ लगा सकते हैं? Very important to understand. Whenever you have past activities, now here also let's see. Here also we used to form Spanish compound sentence when it's used for a compound sentence. Now, for example, I will say, past participle. Uh, I lived. I have been. I had lived. I have lived. Lived. In that case also I can use my aber conjugation, but that past of my, my, for example, if you have a vivir. Vivir is my verb to live. In Spanish, vivir is my verb to live. Is it clear to you? So, अगर मैं इसको कि they have lived. So either I will make vivido. So the for my past ending would be ado and ido. The past ending would be my ado and ido. Team, लिख लो please. Very important. The past ending would be my ido and ado. Then, for example, I will say, I have been there. A star verb, a star conjugation. Now, for example, let me rub this. If I'm saying, I have been there. So, you have, he has have क्या है? Aber. Aber conjugation आपकी auxiliary verb है जो verb में आएगी. जैसे कि I have been there. Been star estado. देखो बी क्या है आपका? स्टार वर्ब क्या हमने इज एम आर वर्ब स्टार. स्टार का बीन क्या होगा? एंडिंग जो आप लगाओगे आदो. आदो एंडिंग वुड बी पास्ट. विविड इज माय वर्ब टू लिव बिकॉज ये आई रनिंग वर्ब है तो क्या हो जाएगा? वी वी दो ईदो. सो एंडिंग ऑफ आदो here and ending of ईदो would be past. बहुत सिंपल है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आई हैव बीन देयर. Yo he estado ahí. Ahí is my there. Ahí, ahí, ahí. So yo he estado ahí. He has lived in Canada for many years. He, देखो, whenever you have present perfect tense, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में आप आबेर कॉन्जुगेशन को यूज करोगे. यो ए तू आस इलिया आ एमोस आबेस आन. सो ये आप यूज करोगे. मैं करूंगी आई हैव बीन, तो यो ए एस्तादो बिकॉज एस्तार वर्ब बी, बीन इज माय आदो बिकॉज आदो इज माय पास्ट. अब आई ही हैज लिव्ड इन कनाडा फॉर मेनी इयर्स. इल आ एलिया आ, so il a vivido. Vivid conjugation to live. Vivido ido past. पास्ट में आईएनजी जो आपकी आई रनिंग वर्ब है वो ईदो से, आई रनिंग वर्ब पास्ट में कन्वर्ट होती है ईदो में. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? सो माय आई रनिंग वर्ब वुड बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू ईदो इन पास्ट. सो él ha vivido en Canadá por muchos años, for many years. Is it clear to you, team? टीम, ये आपका है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? सो तेनेट वर्ब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. सबसे पहले आप क्या करना है, यू हैव टू रीड where we can apply aber verb. Aber verb, there is, there was, there would be, there will be, and present perfect tense. जैसे I have lived, yo a, अब yo a, vivido, you have lived, tu has vivido, he has lived, él ella a, aber verb and ido. We, is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Vivido, I have lived, vivido. Is it clear to you? So team, ये आपको practice करना है, and definitely I will come back to my different pattern of tener verb where we can apply tener verb in my next module. Is it clear to you? So by the time, team, work hard. It is very important that you learn the language. Very important. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to speak with me. Okay. So by the time, take care. Adios. Hasta luego.